So this recipe today is actually like one of my oldest favorites. So my mum, when I first changed my diet back in like 2012, my mum and I used to make this salad literally every single day, and it sounds so weird, but it's a massaged kale salad. If you haven't massaged your kale before, you need to. What's actually one of the girls in the office said, I knew I was like converted to delicious yellow when I went home and started massaging my kale. So if you haven't done it yet, you need this in your life. It just makes it really soft and creamy, and it's got loads of tahini, lime juice, avocado, pomegranates, and then we're doing some crispy cumin baked chickpeas in there as well. So super easy, perfect summer dish. So the first thing we're going to do is prep our chickpeas. So I'm going to be making you guys some peanut butter cupcakes very soon. So I'm going to keep the liquid from the chickpeas for that. So I'm just going to pour that out into a mug. And then once I've done that, I'm just going to drain and rinse them. And then you just pop them onto a baking tray with a little bit of cumin, salt and pepper. If you like things really spicy, you could add a bit of cayenne pepper or chili flakes as well at this point. And then you just pop those in the oven. They're going to roast for like 15 to 20 minutes until they're golden and crispy. So while those are roasting, I'm going to make our salad. As I said in the beginning, I know it sounds weird to massage your kale, but just go with me on it. So first things first, we're just going to take off those like hard stems of kale, and just because they don't massage very well and they're a bit kind of hard and fibrous and not that delicious. So just leave those to one side. And then we're just going to put our dressing straight onto the kale. So we're going to use 2 tablespoons of tahini. Preferably you want a really runny tahini. I found this brand recently, Balazu. It's incredible, although it comes in a massive jar. Then we want some apple cider vinegar. That really helps to break down the leaves of the kale, so that really is useful. A little bit of tamari, which gives it a kind of saltiness and a richness. Lime juice, again, that works with the cider vinegar to break it down. Olive oil and sea salt, which again is really important to massage into the leaves. So then literally just stick your hands in and really go for it. You want to really rub each leaf and you'll feel it soften in your hand. So keep doing that for maybe like 3 or 4 minutes until it's kind of wilted and soft. And at that point, you're gonna love kale if you don't now. So then just pop that into, either leave it in that salad bowl, or if you're serving it to other people, maybe something new. Add the avocado, the pomegranate, sunflower seeds. And then once your crispy chickpeas are done, take them out of the oven and just pour those over the top. Just to finish it off today, I'm going to do a drizzle of tahini because it looks beautiful, but that is completely optional.